Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Is everyone fine? Good. So, as you all know, we have completed our chapter 5th. Chapter 5th पूरा हो चुका है and we came to now our 6th chapter, that is tissues. In our previous video, means in our last period, हम start कर चुके हैं chapter 6th. We have done only basics about this chapter on that day. That tissues कैसे बनते हैं? Cells के group से. Whenever there is the cluster of cells, they will form tissues. Okay? Tissues क्या बनाते हैं? Organs. Organ से organ system और organ system से complete organism. Okay? And tissues, they are having their specific function in the body. इनके अपने specific function है body में. Okay? And they are having same origin. We have done their definitions also where in a previous period, last period, previous video में भी कर चुके हैं. So who has discovered this term tissues? It was given by Mary Frances Xavier Bichet, okay, who was the founder of histology. Histology क्या है? It is the study of the tissues. Okay, I think previous video you have watched carefully and you all are aware about these things. So we are going to start our chapter tissues, जिसमें हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? Plant tissues और animal tissues के बारे में. We will study about plant tissues and animal tissues. On that day we have started that in plant tissues what we will study. We will study about the meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue, which is of three types: apical, lateral or intercalary. Three types of meristematic tissue are there, and then we will study about permanent tissue. In permanent tissue there are the two types. Permanent tissue की भी two types हैं. There are the these, that is simple and complex. Simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Okay, simple में क्या है? Simple is having three types. These three are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. We will study about these three types in the where simple permanent tissue, and in complex we will study about the xylem and phloem tissue. I think we have done about xylem and phloem a little bit in 8th class also. We are familiar with the definition. Means xylem और phloem का function क्या है? कंडक्ट करना क्या? फूड, वाटर और न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो भी प्लांट्स को ग्रोथ के लिए नीड है. ओके, these will be supplied by these two type of tissues, which are the types of the complex permanent tissue. Okay, so before proceeding to our meristematic tissue, we should know about the difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? As we know कि plant tissues, plants क्या है? Plant cell और animal cell में डिफरेंस करना एक अलग बात है. Okay, that is a different thing. Here we will describe them, differentiate them on the basis of their tissues difference. Okay, firstly they show sedentary existence. ये क्या शो करते हैं? Sedentary existence. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Sedentary existence means plants they are not showing any kind of physical activity. ये कोई physical activity नहीं करते. We cannot see them like human beings, living things are there. We can see that they are just reading, they are eating. Other activities are there like locomotion, movement. Many are there. Okay, so they are showing locomotion. You can say locomotion means you know very well movement. Okay, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पर जाना, eating and many more are there which are shown by the animal tissues. You can say the living things. Okay, next, as we know in the animal tissues there are the complex system. जैसे complex system animals में है, that is not like there in the plants. They are having very simple things. Okay, organization of organs, organ system, complete make an organism. It is very complex system. Complexity means we can say that there are the like reproduction is there, excretion is there. These complex system, these are present only in the animals. Okay, different organs हैं which are perform these functions, and they are not showing a complex system, not showing any kind of complex system. Okay, in animal tissues we may write these shows complex system. Complex system, you can say there are the many activities, and because of these activities there is the presence of the systems like kidneys हैं, lungs हैं, heart is there. Okay, so these functions cannot be performed by the single only. So these are not showing any complex system, they are showing complex kind of system. Okay, next one. अगर हम थर्ड पॉइंट की बात करें, इसमें प्लांट्स हैं, वी नो दैट प्लांट्स जस्ट रिमेन एट वन प्लेस. ओके, प्लांट्स जो हैं एक प्लेस पे रहते हैं. दे कैन नॉट मूव लाइक अस. इफ आई एम मूविंग, यस, कैन दे मूव लाइक अस? प्लांट्स कैन नॉट मूव लाइक अस. सो वी कैन से दीज आर द स्टेशनरी. वी कैन से प्लांट्स आर द stationary, and the same thing remains at one place. Yes, they cannot move. Stationary है, they remain stationary, they remains at one place. It means they need less energy for doing their these processes. Okay, जो भी इनको करना है means for that they require less energy. Am I right? And as we know in the animals there is the means lot of energy is required, lot of energy for doing their functions, doing their activities. Okay, और जो activities हुई उस waste को निकालना भी ज़रूरी है. If the activities are there, waste production will be there. अगर वो waste body में ही रहेगा, it will create a lot of problems. Okay, so in this plant tissues mostly we can say, एक तो प्रोटोप्लाज्म नहीं होगा इसमें. व्हाट इज द प्रोटोप्लाज्म? लिविंग सब्सटेंस ऑफ द सेल. प्रोटोप्लाज्म क्या है? लिविंग सब्सटेंस ऑफ द सेल. प्रोटोप्लाज्म विल नॉट बी हियर. प्लांट्स में प्रोटोप्लाज्म नहीं होगा. ओके, एंड द मोस्टली देयर आर द सपोर्टिव टिश्यूज. सपोर्टिव मीन्स विच प्रोवाइड देम मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ, विच प्रोवाइड मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ, एंड दीज विल बी डेड ऑल्सो. मोस्टली कैसे होंगे? डेड होंगे. लाइक sclerenchyma is there, xylem phloem is there. Okay, and in this we can say not stationary. These are not stationary. Not stationary means the human beings, animals cannot be live at one place only, na? Because of our activities we need to go here and there. Because of our activities we need this thing, we need this thing. हमें सब चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है. Like plants, so they are fixed, they remain at one place only. But human beings, they cannot remain at one place. They do a lot of activities, and because of these activities, what is the requirement? Lot of energy is required. Because of these activities, lot of energy is required. Okay, and जो इसमें mostly tissues होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? Living. Okay, like we will talk about the muscular tissue. Muscular tissue का function क्या है? They help in the movement of the body parts. Okay, they help in the movement of body parts. Nervous tissue है. Why there is nervous tissue? Because there is the need to transport the messages. कि हमारी बॉडी को कैसे फंक्शन करना है, किसके अकॉर्डिंग करना है. ओके, जो हमारी बॉडी में फंक्शन होंगे कैसे होंगे, किसके अकॉर्डिंग होंगे. These are to be given by our brain. Okay, so many functions are there. Okay, connective tissue है, connection है. Connective tissue means आपस में connect करने का काम करना. Bones को cartilage से, bones को bone से. These things we will study in the animal tissues. Okay, They are not stationary, they move from one place to another place, they move in the search of food, they move in the search of reproduction, they move in the search of just many other things are also there. Okay, so because of these things, plant tissue, animal tissues, they are different. One more point is there कि जो plant में growth है that is indefinite. Plant की growth है, growth is indefinite. Growth is indefinite means plant grow throughout their life with the help of certain tissues. Okay, plant grows throughout their life with the help of certain tissues. Okay, like if we will talk about meristematic tissue here, they just do different function in the shoot apex and root apex. इनके different function है shoot apex part में और root apex part में. Okay, कोई plant की मीन्स जो टिप है उसकी ग्रोथ रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, कोई नोड्स और इंटरनोड्स के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, कोई जो प्लांट्स की साइड्स हैं जो उनकी गर्थ है उनको इनहिबिट करने के लिए है. ओके, बट इफ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द एनिमल टिश्यू हियर, द ग्रोथ ऑफ एनिमल्स इज डेफिनेट. इफ वी विल से ग्रोथ ऑफ द animals is definite. Means plants में certain points होते हैं. Plants are having certain points कि इन point से plant के part की growth होगी. इन point से plant के part की growth होगी. Like if you talk about animal tissue, animals, it is not confined to any certain region. कोई confined नहीं, certain region से हैं. They grows more and more in the और लेस यूनिफॉर्म. ओके, या तो यूनिफॉर्म में होंगे या यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं होंगे, ये मोर भी हो सकता है और लेस भी. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लांट एंड एनिमल टिश्यूज. सेडेंटरी एक्जिस्टेंस मीन्स दे आर नॉट डूइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. लोकोमोशन, लोकोमोशन मीन्स दे आर जस्ट डूइंग मूवमेंट, रीडिंग करते हैं, फीडिंग करते हैं, जस्ट मैनी थिंग्स आर देयर. Not showing any kind of complex system. Complex system means they are not having any kind of like they are not having like heart is there, lungs, kidneys, they are not having. They are having complex systems. Because of this complexity, many just organs are performing their different activities. Stationary, they remain stationary means they remain at one place. Okay, if they will remain at one place only, they need less energy. They need less energy means there is no spend of energy so much here. They are not having protoplasm. Protoplasm is not there in the plant tissue. Okay, mostly tissues are dead. Examples क्या है? You can say sclerenchyma, xylem phloem. Okay, not stationary. These are not stationary. They search in the, they just move in the search of food. They search in the just move in the search of shelter. Many things are there in which for which they just move for the searching. Okay, last point है growth is indefinite. Their growth is indefinite. Okay, certain points are there means from which the growth will take place, and it is not there in the animals. Indefinite. Okay, so it is all about the difference between the tissues of the plants and animals. ये इनका difference है. I hope you all just watch the video carefully. Please watch it. If any doubt is there, you may ask in the comment section. Okay, you may take a screenshot of this, although I will send the difference of these two, but you may take a screenshot of all this because many small points are there, but from these small points you can get the things more clear. Okay, thank you everyone.